Welcome to the DEFCAM. The recent high-level dialogue between the Bangladeshi military delegation and Pakistan's air chief regarding the potential acquisition of 32 JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter aircraft represents a significant milestone in regional defense cooperation and stands as a powerful validation of Pakistan's indigenous aerospace capabilities. This prospective arrangement, valued at approximately $800 million based on a unit cost of $25 million per aircraft, transcends conventional arms transactions, embodying instead a strategic convergence of technological achievement, economic pragmatism, and shared security interests. From Pakistan's perspective, this expression of serious interest from a regional partner affirms decades of dedicated investment in developing a sophisticated yet cost-effective multi-role combat platform that delivers exceptional capability without the exorbitant costs typically associated with modern fourth-generation fighter aircraft. Viewers, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Let's move back to our topic. The technical sophistication of the JF-17 Thunder Block III configuration under discussion demonstrates Pakistan's engineering prowess and systems integration capabilities. The aircraft's core avionics architecture centers on KLJ-7A ESA radar, which provides superior detection and tracking capabilities against multiple targets at extended ranges exceeding 170 kilometers. This system employs advanced signal processing algorithms that enable it to maintain target lock even in challenging electronic warfare environments, ensuring mission effectiveness against sophisticated integrated air defense systems. The cockpit integrates three large area color multifunction displays, a wide-angle holographic head-up display, and hands-on throttle and stick controls that significantly reduce pilot workload during high-stress combat situations through intuitive human-machine interface design. The platform's exceptional combat capability stems from its compatibility with advanced weapon systems, most notably the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air missile. This missile system incorporates an active radar seeker with advanced electronic countermeasures capability, a dual-pulse rocket motor for extended range performance, and a two-way data link that enables in-flight targeting updates. With engagement parameters exceeding 150 kilometers, the missile represents a credible threat to even fifth-generation aircraft, providing operators with capability parity with regional air forces at a fraction of the investment typically required for such advanced weapon systems. Beyond air superiority missions, the aircraft can be configured for precision strike roles using satellite-guided bombs, such as the LS-6 series, or for maritime strike missions employing the CM-400 AKG high-speed anti-ship missile, making it a truly multi-role platform capable of addressing diverse operational requirements. The aircraft's performance characteristics further enhance its operational value within regional security contexts. Powered by either the Russian RD-93MA or Chinese WS-13 turbofan engine, both providing approximately 54 kilonewtons of thrust with afterburner engagement, the JF-17 Block III achieves a thrust-to-weight ratio exceeding 1:1 when configured for air superiority missions with reduced fuel loads. This power enables exceptional energy maneuverability, with sustained turn rates and specific excess power figures that compare favorably with more expensive competitors in the same weight class. The airframe incorporates approximately 45% composite materials by surface area, reducing overall weight while maintaining structural integrity during high-G maneuvers exceeding 8 gravitational forces. The digital fly-by-wire flight control system provides precise handling characteristics across the flight envelope, while ensuring aerodynamic stability even at extreme angles of attack approaching 35 degrees. From Pakistan's industrial perspective, this potential order carries profound implications for the national defense manufacturing ecosystem. The production of 32 aircraft for an export customer would enable Pakistan Aeronautical Complex to achieve economies of scale that reduce unit costs for its own Air Force's acquisition programs while maintaining production line continuity. The extended production run would sustain workforce proficiency and provide opportunities for technology transfer and manufacturing process improvements across the aerospace supply chain. Particularly valuable would be the experience gained in integrating diverse weapons systems and avionics packages to meet specific customer requirements. Knowledge that could be applied to future development programs, including the envisioned fifth-generation fighter initiative. The requirement to establish comprehensive maintenance, repair, and overhaul infrastructure in the customer nation would create long-term technical cooperation opportunities, potentially leading to joint ventures in aerospace components manufacturing and subsystem development. The strategic dimensions of this potential transaction extend beyond immediate financial considerations for Pakistan. Successfully placing the JF-17 with the Bangladesh Air Force would represent a significant diplomatic achievement, demonstrating the country's ability to develop and market advanced military technology internationally without political constraints often associated with Western defense suppliers. It would establish Pakistan as a credible alternative to traditional defense exporters, particularly for nations seeking capable systems without political conditionalities. The extensive training programs required for customer nation pilots and maintenance crews would foster lasting professional relationships between the two air forces, creating opportunities for broader defense cooperation, including joint exercises, intelligence sharing arrangements, and collaborative development of operational doctrines tailored to regional security challenges. This cooperation could extend to developing integrated air defense concepts and shared surveillance capabilities that enhance regional stability. From a regional security perspective, the introduction of the JF-17 Block 3 into a friendly nation's inventory would significantly enhance that nation's ability to protect its airspace and maritime territory through credible deterrence. The aircraft's combination of modern sensors, advanced weapons, and reasonable operating costs makes it particularly suitable for medium powers seeking to maintain strategic autonomy without diverting excessive resources from economic development priorities. The platform's open architecture design ensures that it can incorporate future technological upgrades, including advanced electronic warfare systems, infrared search and track systems, and potentially directed energy weapons, protecting the investment against obsolescence while providing a clear roadmap for capability enhancement. For Pakistan, each successful export of the JF-17 strengthens the business case for continued investment in research and development, creating a virtuous cycle of improvement and innovation that benefits both export customers and Pakistan's own defense capabilities through shared operational experience and feedback. The technical discussions surrounding this potential sale have comprehensively addressed the sophisticated support package required to sustain such advanced aircraft through their operational life cycle. This includes not only pilot and maintenance training, but also the establishment of full mission simulation facilities, technical documentation systems, and supply chain management infrastructure for spare parts and specialized test equipment. Pakistan has developed considerable expertise in these areas through its own operational experience with the JF-17 fleet and through previous export programs to other nations. The integrated logistics support concept developed for the JF-17 program ensures that operators can maintain high mission capability rates while controlling life cycle costs through proactive maintenance planning and condition-based monitoring systems, a critical consideration for budget-conscious air forces managing limited defense resources. In evaluating this potential transaction, Pakistan recognizes the broader implications for South Asian security architecture and the demonstration of technological sovereignty it represents. The introduction of advanced but cost-effective platforms like the JF-17 enables regional states to maintain strategic autonomy while developing credible defense capabilities that contribute to stability rather than creating destabilizing arms races. The capabilities provided are fundamentally defensive and deterrent in nature, emphasizing situational awareness and controlled response rather than offensive power projection. The transparency surrounding this potential sale demonstrates how defense cooperation can proceed openly while still protecting sensitive technological information through carefully structured technology, transfer agreements, and controlled intellectual property arrangements. While the final outcome of these discussions remains subject to various diplomatic, economic, and technical considerations, The very fact that they have reached this advanced stage signifies a maturation of Pakistan's defense industry and a recognition of the JF-17's capabilities within the international community. For Pakistan, each expression of interest in its indigenous defense products represents not only commercial opportunity, but validation of its strategic decision to pursue self-reliance in critical technologies. The JF-17 program, from its inception as a vision to replace aging aircraft with a modern indigenous solution to its current status as an internationally competitive platform, exemplifies how determined investment in research and development can yield both security benefits and economic opportunities while establishing a nation's credentials as a serious participant in the global defense industry. Thanks, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.